Here's the problem. Only prints half. Now for the repair. Remove 2 back screws. Lift the top. Unplug the 2 ribbon cables from these 2 sockets and remove the top. Here's the arm. Arm is located right here. I don't know if you can see it, but right towards the front it's split. Next, turn the unit upside down. Loosen the 3 screws on the bottom and remove the bottom. Remove the 3 screws holding the circuit board. Remove the 2 remaining ribbon cables. Pull this tab out and then rotate it upward. You can then lift the shaft and wiggle it out. Looking at the printer from the rear, you lift up this end and pull it a little bit to the right, and you'll have to wiggle it out of there. Okay, now once you get this out, you'll see that this left end, which would be the right side, looking at the front, is cracked. There's your crack. That's what we have to fix. Here's another view. That's the crack. I had a couple of tubes. That one's brass, that one's aluminum. So I cut a small piece of aluminum off and put it right on the end here. And that looks like it'll hold pretty good. Now it's just a matter of reassembling it. I might put a little dab of super glue on there just to hold it on there. Okay, now replace the rod. And slide the little keeper back down in the hole. then reassemble the printer in reverse order. Plug the print head cable back in, reinstall the 3 screws that hold the circuit board. Next we'll have to install the bottom along with the fan and bracket in this front piece. Install the bottom 3 screws. Make sure that you get the fan in there and this keeper here in the front. Then next we'll plug the 2 ribbon cables back in here on the circuit board. Next, snap the front down, position the back, and replace the 2 back screws. And open the side door and replace the ribbon cartridge. Okay, the printer is now good to go. The printer is now repaired. Printing full copy. Thank you. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.